Hey friends, if you wish to enable spatial sound on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. But before that, what does it mean by spatial sounds? So this was initially introduced by Dolby for theaters and now it has come to laptops in various formats. It was very popular with Mac, but what is it exactly? Now, I say that the sound on your system speakers is two-dimensional. I mean, you can adjust it by right and left. That if the sound on the right speaker is more, you know that the character in the movie is on the right hand side. But that is not three-dimensional. And for games, three-dimensional sound is way better. It sounds way more realistic. So if you wish to enable three-dimensional sound, then like you call it 360 degrees sound tech. In that case, you can use spatial sounds. How? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select sound. Now select your output device. It could be speaker, it could be headphones, it could be anything. Click on speakers because that's all I have for now. Under spatial sound, the default setting is off, that it's off, and you can change it to something else. So I can change it to Windows Sonic for headphones, and on my other computers I have other options like a way longer list which includes the options for Dolby, etc. So for now I'll just select the option that I have, and this will be able to enable spatial sounds on my device. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.